Okay, good morning everybody. We are going to learn how to use the Simplepulse milk machine. So follow along and we will milk 2 goats this morning, and I'll try to make it as simple as possible, just like the machine. First up we have Elkie. She's got a nice full udder today. She is one of my sweetest goats. I love her. She knows how to sit on the stand. She doesn't kick. She is well trained. So now we'll just start talking about the milk machine. This is the Simplepulse milk machine. I absolutely love it. I think it was the best purchase that we have made for the goats. It truly is simple, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. So I always have a milk container right here on the left that I use as my dirty container. So I rinse and clean the lines always in this one. This one I bring a new one every single morning, and this is where I'll keep the milk to take home, so it's never contaminated. So first we're gonna put this lid on, and then we're gonna add a filter in the clean one. I don't add a filter in this one just because it's the dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a filter out of here and place it in the top. All right, here's the wafer. It's just a nice thin filter cap. And I will put the lid back on. It's hard to do this one-handed. There we go. Now we are ready to sanitize our lines before we milk for today. So these have been hanging clean since yesterday's milking, and I got hot water from the house, and I'm gonna pour half of it in this other bucket. I poured half and half, and I'm going to take Dawn dish soap and just squeeze a little into one, mix it around, and that's my warm soapy water. In this one, I'm gonna add a little bit of bleach. So I have Clorox bleach, and we'll just do a little dash. Oh my god, that's too much, but that's okay. Okay, so now that I have that, let's hook up our lines to our dirty container. So I'm gonna take, you always take this line here. I forget what this is called, but it always goes into the bottom. And I have the all-in-one lids. There's multiple lid options. I think this is the best one because it's filtered immediately. So then I take my milk line, and it has the blue, and it always goes to the blue cap. And whenever you use this specific milk machine, for sure, you need to make sure that all of the lids are closed and sealed tightly, or it won't get enough seal to pump the milk. So now we're ready to sanitize it. It just takes 2 seconds. So I'm gonna turn the machine on, and then I'm gonna flip this valve. And when you flip the valve, you always wanna make sure the pressure's around in this green area. So now I'm gonna take the lines and do like 3 or 4 clicks of the back of this. They have little buttons, and put it in the bleach water and hang it. So we'll go. Okay, so now hang it up here like this, and then drain out the bleach. Now I'm ready to put it into my milk container, and then we'll get Elkie ready. So I turn the valve off. I'm gonna put the blue one on the clean container, this air one here. So now I'm ready to milk through my system. I need to wipe Elkie's teeth. I'm gonna wipe down around her udder and her teeth. And then we are ready to milk. So grab your milk lines, turn the valve on, and then You can place them underneath or from behind, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna place the teat right in the center of the suction, and you're gonna click this button to help align it and start milking. So I'm going to center her teat, and it already sucked up, and then we're gonna center and click. How the lines are. So I can milk out. So it's going through the lines into the container. I'm almost done. Her other ear, up it. Now I'm going to take my thumb and put air into the tube, and her teat will come right out. No pressure at all should be used, and then I can hand express whatever is left in her udder. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. It should come out very easily. Don't tug on it. Or you can turn the valve off, and then obviously it will just release it. But there we go. So she's all empty. She did great. Now I take this spray here called Bite Back, and I will spray her teats. Exit the premises, and Deja Vu will jump right on in. You always want to make sure that you see milk flow coming out of those lines. If you don't, then you need to take the suckers off and rewind your teeth. Sometimes they cut holes or, pieces in their tongue. Perfect. We'll spray her with some Bite Back as well. We're done milking, so now we are going to clean the lines and get them ready for tomorrow. So we will turn the valve off and switch these to the dirty. And then we'll turn the valve on. Take our suctions and we'll do soapy water and click them vigorously. Soapy water. And you want to make sure you don't overfill this container. Like, pay close attention to it, because then it'll go in the back jar. Bleach water. Well, almost wasn't paying enough attention. So, there we go. And now I hang the lines up here. Drain out all of the water. And I will turn the valve off again. And I take this blue tube. I hang this white one on the side. I take this blue tube and put it at the end of this exhaust. And it blows air so I can dry the line because you want them completely dry in between every milking. So I just hang them right here. And see if they're blowing air out. So I'm gonna go feed the rest of the goats, and when I come back, these will be dry, and I'll just hang them up over here for the next day. So here's the milk that we got today. Any questions, please let me know.